Hello everyone, I am Nitesh Kumar.
Hello everyone, I am Savashankari.
Hello everyone, I am Anjali Singh.
Hello everyone, I am Shweta from the PGDM batch 2023 to 2025.
I am absolutely delightful to tell you that I am successfully placed at OPPO as a management trainee in HR.
My journey at GIBS Business School has been an incredible learning experience that has been shaped me into a professional at that I am today.
Especially IRE, Innovation, Research and Entrepreneurship. Innovation which helps me to create an idea, what is the ideation of the product which has to be exist in market, we can literally innovate them. Research which helps to identify the pros and cons of the products. And entrepreneurship which helps me to implement in the business world, how it is create an ideation, how it is implement in the future.
And our college is providing a certification in personal mastery program which help us to gain knowledge from the practical world, and this will help us to build confidence and give us a problem solving skills as well. And this also builds a confidence, and we can also gain knowledge from the real business world challenges as well.
As part of my academic curriculum, I took part in BMP, where I started and run a business for a month. It taught me how to manage and approach the professional while dealing with ups and downs. It helped me to gain experience and gave me a confidence to be prepared for a professional world. It also helped me to upskill myself and my weak areas, which helped me to place at OPPO as a management trainee.
And I'm incredibly thankful to the faculty members and mentors and also my friends for the constant support and encouragement. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you GIBS.